Hi, this is Mrs. Eichmann, 4th grade teacher, and I am going to be showing you how to decompose fractions. So first I'm going to start off with my fraction of 5/6. I want to draw a model of this fraction, so I'm going to draw a rectangle. And since my denominator is 6, I'm going to break my rectangle into 6 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each of these pieces is 1/6 of the whole. So I'm going to label these each as 1/6. Now if you look at my numerator, 5, that means that I have 5 of the 6 pieces. So I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those pieces. To decompose means to break apart. So when I'm looking at 5/6, I'm really taking each of these 1/6 pieces and making it separate. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my 1/6, and that would be how I would decompose my fraction of 5/6. Now a mixed number is when I have a whole number and I have a fraction together. This one says 3 2/3. I'm going to decompose the 3 2/3 mixed number the same way I did for my fraction of 5/6. So I'm going to start off by drawing 3 whole rectangles. And I want to make sure I draw these the same size since they're all being compared to each other. So this is one whole, this is one whole, and this is one whole. Then I'm going to draw my rectangle to show my 2/3. Again, staying with the same size as my one whole. Since my denominator is 3, I'm going to break this into thirds. Each piece of this is 1/3. And again, I will shade in what I have. I have 3 whole pieces. 1, 2, 3. And then I have 2, my numerator says 2, I have 2 of my 1/3 pieces. So when I want to write this as a decomposed fraction, I would have my one whole plus another whole plus my other whole, and then I would be adding in the 1/3 and the 1/3. And I can double check by adding and saying 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, and then 1/3 and 1/3 is 2/3.